Network governance, collaborative approach with partners across sectors, levels, and many actors in providing public services. For example, government agencies, private sectors, and the public. According to Ansel and Gosh 2008, a governing arrangement where one or more public agencies directly engage non-stakeholders in a collective decision-making process that is formal, consensus-oriented, and deliberative, and that aims to make or implement public policy or manage public programs or assets. According to Emerson A.L. 2012, he defined that the governance as a collaboration process of public policy decision-making and engage people across boundaries of public agencies, levels of government, and public civic spheres to carry out public purpose that could not accomplish. The shift is known as from government to governance. It is the process of public decision-making and the governing society and economy. It is to mobilize and engage citizens and organizations in development, implementation, and monitoring of public policy. The rise of now society is what causes the shift of governance and new collaborative ethos of public institutions. It is a more fundamental transformation and proliferation of the network paradigm. One example of network governance is the Netherlands. Let's look into another sophisticated arrangements in high-quality housing is an example of network governance. It involves collaboration with many levels and sectors of governance, developer builders, NGOs, designers, citizens, and others involved in the complex process of delivering housing. Social housing is, for example, coordinated by large and powerful NGOs called housing corporations that have delivery affordable and high-quality housing. This is the housing arrangement in Netherlands look like. The traditional method as hierarchical organization, it can be bottom-up approach or top-down approach. In constructing in network governance, there is no one entity on top. It connects constituting groups without hierarchy, unlike the traditional state of government. Meet the stakeholders: citizens, government, private sectors, NGOs. In network, stakeholders can decide what they want to shift together and then choose metrics for measuring the progress. This is to improve efficiency by sharing information and coordinating fairer of conversation efforts on problem of local interest. Now, what relies on social connection and commitment of shared goals to motivate constituting groups to resolve conflicts and adhere to the collective agreement that they have made. Challenge of network governance. There is a huge problem in accountability if decision-making is shared across multiple levels, actors, and networks. Who is ultimately responsible for the outcomes of policies and decisions? Is it you? Now, network government has emerged as the only appropriate tool part for managing the complexity of modern societies, according to Lim 2011. As a citizen, we should read more and relevant knowledge, and it will strengthen their democracy and social sustainability.